To begin this course, we'll cover how the model view controller design pattern works in the Ruby on Rails framework, specifically discussing the roles and best practices associated with each statement, such as ensuring that the logic of our programs is handled by the model, that our views are simply rendering the HTML elements to the user, and the controller is properly handling the data flow. Since we'll be utilizing a wide variety of the files that come bundled with our application by default, we'll walk through the file system so you can become familiar with the items such as the respective roles of our config directory and how the asset management system is structured, where the model, view, and controller files are located, how the HTML layout file operates, and how to access our database files, and lastly, how we can utilize our Gemfile. If you've never used Git before, you'll find it to be a powerful tool in your development arsenal. The Ruby on Rails development stack works very closely with version control management systems such as GitHub, and we'll cover what Git is, why it is important, and how to implement it into our application. As you might expect, routing is one of the core fundamentals of any web application, and we will walk through how to set up a root homepage, utilize the methods for streamlining the routing process, and explore ways to build a workflow for structuring our URL paths. We'll finish up this course with building a scaffold into our application that interacts with our database, has form elements for the user, renders a database query on the page, and is tested using RSpec.